as early as last week, the FEO had already conducted the motu proprio investigation or inquiry. We did not wait for the NBI's request for the cancellation. So, last week, we have already gathered the necessary evidence tungkol doon sa pag-cancel or pag-revoke sa LTOP at firearm registration ng ating butihing senador. And we have already evaluated kung ano yung ground na gagamitin in as far as that ICC warrant of arrest is concerned.
Sir, just for the record, ilan po yung baril na nakarehistro sa pangalan ni Senadora Bato de la Rosa?
For that matter, sir, we are not ready to divulge the number of firearms of the good senator because it is our position that that is personal information that is protected by the Data Privacy Act. Though we see already the circulation of such news doon sa kanyang mga balil.
So, totoo yun? Dalas 100 plus?
118.
The FEO is of the position na we will not divulge yung number of firearms.
Right, sir, public officials, Senator.
Even though, sir, because he is also protected.
Sir, sir, merong revocation board ang FEO about that matter. Ano nang actions taken? Sa ngayon, ano nang nangyayari po?
Last week, sir, as I've said a while ago, this is already an initiation of the gathering of evidence. At nag-umpisa na yung proseso ng ating FEO License Revocation and Restoration Board. So, kanina, nagkaroon na ng deliberation ang ating board. Alam niyo naman yung ating board ay isa lamang collegial recommendatory body yung kanyang function. So, with that said, kanina, we have identified yung ground na gagamitin sa pag-revoke or pag-cancel ang tamang term sa LTOP or firearm registration ng ating butihing senador. And with that, kaakibat niya yung confiscation ng mga baril.
So,
wala.
you will be recommending the cancellation and confiscation, cancellation and of the license.
Cancellation of the valid license, of the valid LTOP, at kaakibat kasi niya yun, sir, the confiscation ng mga baril.
What's the ground?
So, na-confiscate na.
Ibig sabihin, sir, approved yun na yung cancellation?
The FEO board
Oh.
recommends
Na to cancel.
to cancel.
What's the ground?
The ground is under Section 4G of the law of the RA 10591. That is, there is a pending criminal case where the imposable penalty is more than 2 years. And we all know that the crime has more than that, yung penalty niya.
Sir, who will decide i-cancellation?
The decision is lodged with our Chief FEO as the delegated authority.
Sir, kano katagal yun? Estimate.
It will not take that long.
Within the week?
Within the week. Within the week.
Pero sir, what will happen next? Like for example lang, ma-approvehan yung pag-cancel ng kanyang LTOP. What will happen next?
The good senator will be notified of such cancellation.
Para?
Kung gusto niya, he will file the necessary motion for reconsideration.
Or may option siya to surrender.
Yes, he has also that option to surrender those.
So yung FR na yun, pwede yun through abogado? Pwede.
Yes, pwede. Kasi the service of those